What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Before we get into this one, as always, I need to request every single viewer, whoever's watching, to like, comment, share, subscribe, click the bell icon, have a look at the links in the description, join the Discord. We talk about lots of things, you know, sneaker related, fashion related, whatever you want to call it. Trying to build a little community there. And yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. Enough waffling from me. Let's just get straight into this. Nike Air Max TW. I don't like this box at all, and I really hope it doesn't replace the the red and white Nike box that we have or we see all the time. This box is, you know, they could do so much with it. And I just don't like it. So Move to Zero is Nike's journey towards zero carbon and zero waste to help protect the future of sport. And then it explains this product is made with at least 20% recycled content by weight, which reduces waste and our carbon footprint. And then it says Move to Zero. The most important bit is the box label, which looks like a paragraph, to be honest. It's got a lot of information there. So it says Air Max TW, and then the color white, speed yellow, racer blue. Are they in a race with each other? Speed yellow, racer blue. Who's gonna win? Rubbish joke. And then it's US 11, UK 10 men, centimeters 29, BR 43, and Euro 45. And then it's got women's sizes, which I'm not sure how it adds 0.5 centimeter due to different gender. Doesn't make sense. Style code DQ398410, and they are made in Indonesia. So usually Move to Zero pairs don't come with any paper, but this pair did, which I found kind of different, but I prefer it because they look a bit plain and boring without the paper. Yes, the IKEA colorway of the Air Max TW. So first things first, even in hand, whatever, they feel massive. They feel so long. Like, I don't know how to describe it. They just feel huge. They feel like they're a size up in hand or whatever. On foot, I can't really comment, to be honest. I don't know how I feel about these, or you know, we'll just have a look at the colors and stuff. The bottom, we have black and white, and then a bit of yellow. It says low pressure. That is actually very stiff. The very stiff sole, not soft at all. So black, white, and then yellow. Midsole, we've got white, and then we've got the bubble at the back. That looks like a spirit level, to be honest. So we've got the spirit level bubbles at the back. We've got 1, 2, got 1 in the heel, 2 on this side. It is one bubble, but it's like, you know, they're all slightly separate. And then you can have a look, they stick out as well, you know, on the shoe. Then we've got above the midsole a blue part with a Nike swoosh. That is a bit dirty. I'm not sure how that got dirty because it's a fresh pair, which is a joke. But I'll get to that later. Then on this side it says cushion, but I don't believe there is much cushion on these, to be honest. I'm not really happy with this pair. They do give me big retro vibes. I'll just carry on going through them. We've got yellow lace holes, and then leather. Then we've got mesh, so you know, it's like an odd mesh material type of thing. It's definitely not see-through. It's got like a backing, and it is raised, so you know, you can press down on it, etc. So it's got that wavy pattern below it. Then we've got a yellow embroidered swoosh on the toe guard, mud guard, whatever you want to call it. We've got a bit of blue. On this side, same thing, you know, wavy pattern underneath, and then this extra bits kind of raised. Yeah, I'm not really too happy about these, to be honest. This will definitely be the first and last pair. Yeah, man, they give me retro vibes. I love a retro shoe, but you know, when the comfort isn't there, I just think, nah, I don't want them. They do remind me of Kurt Angle from the early 2000s though. Another thing I noticed is they do have a neoprene sock liner that's literally neoprene the whole way through, and then, you know, a neoprene. That neoprene reminds me of like, you know, when you have, or you get one of those bandages, or like you got a knee, like you got something wrong with your knee, or you hurt your knee, and you get that blue type of bandage, the sleeve that you pull over, or on your elbow or something. Big medical vibes there. And then on the back, you know, they're okay, but I'm not happy with them, to be honest, man. Yellow and red. I do believe that this colorway isn't the best either, but they are retro styling, so, you know, you have to kind of go with it. The black and white pair is quite nice. The black pair, the all black pair is quite nice. This pair, I'm really not happy with, to be honest. I thought they'll be way more comfortable, and then I'll get a black pair, black and white, etc. But I'm not happy with this pair at all, to be honest. It's actually quite a negative review. Personally, I'm not happy. Will I buy any more pairs? No. What do I rate these out of 10? 4, 4.5 if I want to be nice. Not happy with them at all, man. But yeah, let me know what you think of them. Let me know if you like them. Let me know if you hate them, if you rate them, if you have a pair, if you want a pair, all that good stuff. Just let me know in the comments. And most importantly, take care, people.